I just want y'all to see this car. Y'all see? Look what he doing. Look at the receipt. It don't be me, y'all. It don't be me. Hey, y'all. We back at home. I want to show you guys my little grocery haul. So, I got spring mix, 2 corned beefs, 2 bunches of bananas, sliced provolone, Colby Jack, 2 packs of turkey lunch meat, 2 packs of Jenny-O lean, 4 packs of chicken variety pack. They were really reasonable. I made this, I broke the seal on it, taking it out the bag, y'all. Don't trip. Do not trip. I didn't buy it like that. Got a bag of carrots, seasoning and turkey seasoning, chicken broth, beef broth, cornmeal mix, coffee mate, and I got black silk Folgers, cabbages for Easter, nice pineapple of strawberries. I got a honeydew melon. I got some plums, some green pears, some green apples, some eggplant. I got a thing of cauliflower, some tangerines, and then I got 4 for $5 pasta. I got 5 for $1 corn on the cob, Chinese noodles, apples and cinnamon, lower sugar oatmeal, and Oinko. What flavor is this? Oh, it's just plain, I guess, vanilla. A bottle of Sutter Homes Moscato, some Italian bread, 2 boxes of these for my husband coffee for work, 2 of these plastic forks and spoons. He bought that. Look at that cake. It is a lemon coconut. Is that lemon coconut? Yeah. It's all my groceries. Oh, and then I got my baby some of these. And he grabbed him some Tic Tacs. So that is the haul for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. All right, y'all. I got my corned beef on. I got my turkey wings on. Corn on the cob is boiling. I'm finna put some eggs in my egg container. Fill these back up. And make some cornbread for this cabbage, honey. I'm putting them smoked turkey wings in them cabbages. I'm gonna fry them cabbage real good. Okay, fill this up. And then the eggs that's not in here, I'm gonna use those. Let me see how many eggs. I'm gonna use 4 eggs for my cornbread. And butter. What is that? And I'm putting my cabbage in my bowl. Oh, it smells so good in here, y'all. Look at that. So good. These are turkey wings too. Smoked turkey wings at that. Done. And I'm about to cut this corned beef, slice it, and put it in there. Look at that, y'all. It's been cooking for hours. You know, look at that corned beef. Look at that. So juicy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all that fat up in there. With that cabbage, with that smoked turkey wing, and my cornbread. And oh, wait till y'all see that cornbread. I'm gonna show it to you. Here. It's so juicy. Look at that. Oh, y'all see it? Y'all see it? I know, I know. Look at that. And so that is the corn on the cob, my cabbage with smoked turkey wings, my corned beef cooked for hours, and I got barbecue chicken and some hot dogs. I got to have a hot dog. And then my good cornbread, y'all. I'm not gonna cut it too big. This island is such a blessing. I really appreciate my husband for getting it for me. Like when you have small spaces, you just have to work with what you got, and hey, that's what I'm doing. Don't come in here. Okay. 2 pieces of corned beef. Okay. And a little piece of chicken. Not too big. That's perfect. So pretty. And I got sauce. I didn't make any sauce this time. Just made a nice wholesome meal for the family. Happy Easter, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend.